Welcome to our guide on transforming your kitchen with wooden furniture and decor. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and incorporating wooden elements can bring warmth, character, and functionality to this essential space. Today, we'll explore creative ideas to infuse your kitchen with the timeless appeal of wood, from furniture to decor accents. Let's begin with the focal point of many kitchens, the island. A wooden kitchen island not only adds visual interest, but also provides valuable workspace and storage. Opt for a rustic bush-oak blacktop for a cozy farmhouse feel, or choose sleek modern cabinetry for a contemporary touch. Consider incorporating open wooden shelving into your kitchen design. These shelves not only showcase your favorite dishes and glassware, but also create an airy, open feel. Mix and match wood finishes for added dimension, or keep it cohesive with matching shelving throughout. Maximize space and add charm with a wooden pot rack. Hang it above your kitchen island or stove to keep pots and pans and utensils within easy reach. Choose a rack with a natural wood finish for a rustic look, or opt for a painted or stained finish to match your kitchen's color scheme. Elevate your kitchen decor with a wooden wine rack, whether freestanding or wall-mounted. A wine rack adds both function and style to your space. Showcase your favorite bottles of wine while keeping them organized and easily accessible for impromptu gatherings or cozy nightings. Stay organized and add flair to your kitchen with a wooden spice rack. Mount it on the wall or place it on your countertop for easy access to your all favorite spices and seasonings. Choose a rack with sleek modern design, or opt for more traditional style with intricate detailing. Create a versatile workstation with a wooden kitchen cot. These movable islands offer additional storage and countertop space, making them perfect for meal prep or entertaining. Look for carts with built-in shelves, drawers, and towel racks to keep everything you need within arm's reach. Complete your kitchen's look with wooden bar tools. Whether gathered around a kitchen island or a breakfast bar, bar tools add comfort and style to your space. Choose tools with a natural wood finish for a warm, inviting feel, or opt for painted or stained finishes to complement your decor. Don't overlook the beauty and functionality of wooden cutting boards. Display them on your countertop when not in use to add warmth and texture to your kitchen. Choose boards in various shapes, sizes, and wood grains to create visual interest and showcase your culinary style. Keep your cooking essentials organized with a wooden utensil holder. Whether made of solid wood or featuring a wooden base with metal accents, a utensil holder adds charm and convenience to your kitchen. Store spatulas, spoons, whisks, and more within easy reach, while adding a touch of rustic elegance to your space. Preserve the freshness of your baked goods with a wooden bread box. Not only does it keep your bread, bagels, and pastries fresh longer, but it also adds vintage charm to your kitchen decor. Choose a bread box with a classic roll-up design, or opt for one with sleek modern silhouette. And there you have it, creative ideas for incorporating wooden furniture and decor into your kitchen design. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse look or a sleek modern aesthetic, Wood adds warmth, character, and functionality to any kitchen space. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.